खेत जतलो खेला होवे, खेत जतलो politically against BJP. Everybody wants that BJP must go, not only from UP, from Punjab, from India, politically. Everybody has seen their performance. Zero tolerance and zero governance. Only CBI, ED, income tax, and forcefully evicted the people, and they are trying to finish this country, the democracy, the constitution, the heritage. It is not only in Goa, in every parts of this country. They have changed the history in so many places. They are changing the history also. If they continue, my professors, my teachers, my social network, whoever is working, social sector, they know how they are destroying the history event.